Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to add your brother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to showcase your family connections. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate the About section. This is where you can manage all your personal information, including family relationships. Click on About to proceed. In the About section, find the tab labeled Family and Relationships. Here, you can view and edit your family connections. Look for the option that says Add Family Member. Click on this to start adding your brother. You'll need to enter your brother's name in the search box that appears. As you type, Facebook will suggest names based on your friends list. Select your brother's name from the list to ensure you're adding the correct person. Next, it's time to specify the relationship. From the drop-down menu, choose Brother. This step is crucial as it defines how Facebook will display this connection on your profile. Finally, after selecting his name and relationship, click on the Save button. This action will confirm that you want to add him as a family member. Congratulations! You've successfully added your brother to your family members on Facebook. Now everyone who visits your profile can see this special bond highlighted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your family on Facebook.